Hi guys, Assalamualaikum and welcome to my channel Healthy Food Recipes. It's me Sana again and I'm going to share Ramzan special chicken pulao recipe with you guys. For this, take a saucepan and add in it almost 2 large cups of oil, then adding sliced onions, white cumin seeds, fennel seeds 1 tablespoon each. When onions are almost golden brown, add in it chicken pieces, 2 large cinnamon sticks and bay leaves, key ingredients for rice recipes, and ginger garlic paste almost 2 tablespoons. Then you are going to add some seasoning, which is very basic, that's some salt as per your taste. I have added almost 3 tablespoons in it, red chili flakes and crushed black pepper almost 1 tablespoon each. Key ingredient to this pulao recipe is chicken biryani masala, which I have added almost 1 full packet in it. It's going to give such a unique flavor to your recipe. Now fry all these ingredients to get good taste. So if you are new to my channel, I say welcome to you and do subscribe my channel, give me thumbs up and hit the bell icon too. Thanks. So actually at that time I did not have turmeric pulp, so I have added few dried plums. It gives good taste as well. Now fry for a few more minutes until chicken is totally done. I have taken off almost all the chicken pieces, leaving wings and neck pieces. You can see they are fully cooked. You can see no more chicken pieces are left. Now in the remaining I have added chopped tomatoes and green chillies and cook for a few more minutes until tomatoes are totally done. As Ramzan is a month of blessing for Muslims, so while cooking do recite small taswees like Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah and Allahu Akbar. It will add great flavor to your cooking recipes. Now at this point I am gonna add water as per the quantity of the rice and give it few more boils, and after that I am gonna adding washed and soaked rice in it. At this point flame should be at the highest level so that rice absorbs all the water in it. When the water is totally absorbed by the rice, add the fried chicken pieces and give it steam for almost 30 to 35 minutes so that rice are totally cooked. After almost half an hour, our Ramzan special chicken pulao is ready to be served hot. Hell yum! So our next recipe is chana chaat. For this I have taken sliced onion, adding chopped green chilies and tomatoes. Now I'm gonna add boiled and chopped potatoes and chickpeas, adding very little seasoning with salt and chaat masala. In the end I have added yogurt and garnished it with papri. If you like both the recipes, do share it and thanks for watching.